Normally, the discovery of exoplanets doesn't generate significant information. However, everything changed in 2015 when researchers at NASA's Kepler Space Telescope made a strange finding. This particular planet stood out from all the previous discoveries and will later become known as Kepler 438b. We'll discover today whether this planet could support life or we've found hell in space. Planet TRES-2b is located 750 light-years away from us, but the chances of observing it are extremely low. This isn't because of its vast distance from us, it's because of its incredibly dark appearance, which absorbs light instead of reflecting it. In fact, it absorbs over 99% of light, surpassing the light-absorbing capacity of even the best coal found on Earth, which can only absorb about 95%. Despite its darkness, the planet doesn't go unnoticed by stars. It's located just 4 million kilometers away from its host star. Our next candidate is 4 times the size of Jupiter and is well known as Gliese 504b, which lies 57 light-years away from Earth. When you consider that Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system, you might begin to have an idea of just how huge this planet is. From Earth, it can be seen in the Virgo constellation. It's fascinating to observe that while Jupiter orbits the Sun at a distance of over 741 million kilometers, Gliese 504b orbits its own star at a distance that is 9 times greater than this. This suggests that Gliese 504b getting the status of a truly dark planet, but actually it glows in a colored pink from its inside. This contradicts our previous understanding about giant planets. HD 189733b, Raining Glass. When you take a first look at this planet, it seems peaceful and calm, but appearances are deceiving. The temperature on this planet reaches around 850 degrees Celsius. But what makes this planet deadly? Under this heat, silicate particles start to melt and rain down as glass droplets. But that's not all. This planet is also well known for its insane winds, which reach speeds of 7,000 kilometers per hour. Under these conditions, the glass droplets never reach the ground and start slicing through everything that hasn't been destroyed already. If you ever wondered if there was water in outer space, you need to discover GJ 1214b. This planet is 3 times larger than Earth and lies 42 light-years away from home. From a distance, this planet looks fine and welcoming with its sea blue color, but what awaits you on the surface? Well, on the first view, you'll see a lot of water. That's because GJ 1214b is made up of 10% water. Doesn't sound like much, but did you know that our Earth has only 0.05% water? Very dry, right? According to experts, the oceans in this remarkable world can reach an extreme depth of 1,600 kilometers. It's important to remember that on our own planet, the Mariana Trench, which is the deepest part of the world's oceans, is just 11 kilometers down. In the whole history of humanity, scientists have only managed to explore no more than 5% of our own oceans. Even today, many creatures remain completely unknown to us. Just imagine the immense amount of work that researchers will have if they ever get a chance to travel there. If you ever wanted to watch a multiple sunset like Luke Skywalker on Tatooine, you need to visit the planet KOI 5AB. This planet is located in the constellation of Cygnus, which is almost 2,000 light-years away from Earth. If we had a chance to travel to KOI 5AB, we'd see 3 suns shining in the sky at once, ranging in size from massive to very tiny. But how is it possible to see 3 suns at once? This could be a little bit confusing, so pay attention. KOI 5AB has a triple star system. This means 2 stars, KOI 5A and KOI 5B, which are quite close to each other, are rotating around their gravity center. The 3rd star, which is KOI 5C, rotates around A and B and locks them in their orbits. In the year 2011, an observatory project made some amazing discoveries. Using the Kepler telescope, the very first rocky planet outside our solar system was found. Before that, we only found gas giants. Kepler 10b is located in the Draco constellation and is 1/4 the size of Earth, with temperatures reaching 1400 degrees Celsius. That's why this planet has no atmosphere. Its surface is strewn with magma flows and rocky formations. Who knows, maybe that's the place where Obi-Wan Kenobi defeated Anakin Skywalker. Sadly, after intense research, scientists came to the conclusion that this planet is by no means habitable. Don't worry though, we have a better candidate to find potential life in space. Our next candidate on our list literally deserves the name Hell. If you've always wondered if Hell really exists and where it's located in space, you need to visit Kelt 9b. It's 650 light-years away from Earth and can be found in the constellation of Cygnus. Its temperatures reach up to 4,300 degrees Celsius, which is hotter than the surface of 80% of stars. Kelt 9b is so ultra-heated because of the insanely close orbit to its star, which is 10 times closer than our solar system's planet Mercury, which is our hottest and only rocky planet other than our own. Because of the extremely hot temperatures, it even sheds its own atoms. Kepler 438b, Earth's cousin. Located 473 light-years away in the Lyra constellation, this exoplanet reminds us of Earth in several aspects. First, a rocky composition. Second, the potential presence of water. And third, it receives 40% more light than our planet. Considering these factors, it held promise as a potential habitat for life. However, analysis dashed our hopes when it was discovered that this planet is subjected to intense solar activity. These powerful solar storms surpass anything ever observed from our own sun by a factor of 10. This makes it impossible for Kepler 438b to build an atmosphere. Without such a protective shield, the conditions to host life as we know it on Earth is impossible. But who knows, maybe there's life right next to us.